Assalamualaikum and welcome to everyone who watched this presentation. This presentation is for BELK 3403 Power Distribution System Assignment. We are from Group 6. We'll present our case study for question 6. Our team member are myself, FAIZUL IMRAN by SULAIMAN, TUAN AMILAH FADHLINA binti TUAN AZMIN, and MOHAMAD LOKMAN HAKIM bin MOHAMAD NOOR. So here is our question for our case study. A registered electrical wireman install an electrical wiring for incoming single phase for a restaurant. Electrical hardware such as pendar floor lighting and ceiling fan is connected to a ding, but the metal clad for final circuit only not connected to earth. He also connect the earthing use water pipe which connected to public water supply only. Does the wireman work follow an electrical regulation? Please elaborate related to electrical regulation. So based on the question 6, here is the summary of the question. Pendar floor lighting and ceiling fan connected to earthing. Number 2, metal clad for the final circuit not to connect to earth. And the last one, earthing system solely connected to public water supply pipe. So our objective for this case study is to evaluate compliance with Electricity Regulation 1994. After carefully study the question, we find two key issues. The first one is metal clad for the final circuit not connected to earthing to earth. Based on Regulation 34, number 1, metallic part, for example switching box or fuse box, must be effectively earth. This case failed to connect the metal clad to earth creates safety hazard. The second key issue we identify is use of public water pipe as sole earthing method. Based on Regulation 34, number 2, public water supply pipe cannot serve as sole earthing method. This case non-compliant with safety earthing requirement.
This part is about related regulation. To address the identified non-compliance, we refer the two key regulations from the Electricity Regulation 1994. Okay, for the first regulation is Regulation 34. It is to ensure effective earthing of metallic components, prohibiting the use of water pipes as the sole means of earthing. Next is Regulation 35. It is require a complete system of earthing conductors that connect to appropriate earthwork, plate or pipes to provide a safe and reliable grounding system. Now, let's discuss the broader implication of the proper earthing and regulatory compliance. First is safety implications. The lack of earthing can lead to electrical shock, fire, or other hazards. Effective earthing protects workers, customers, and the general public from harms. Next is legal implications. Legally, non-compliance with the Electricity Regulation 1994 can result in serious consequences such as fines, penalty, or revocation of wireman certificate. Moreover, there is legal liability for any damage or injuries caused by faulty installations. And lastly, on the working culture solutions, fostering a safety-first approach among electrical professionals is crucial. Continuous training on regulatory compliance and best practices can help maintain high safety standards. This is a public interest and contribution to society. Okay, for public interest, first, ensuring safe electrical installation in public space like restaurants. Second is building trust in community by adhering to regulations. Okay, we move on to societal contributions. First is contributing to a safer environment for workers and customers. And lastly is setting a benchmark for safety and laboratory compliance.
Hi, my name is Muhammad LOKMAN HAKIM bin Muhammad NOOR and my matric number is B082110153. In this part, I will explain about the recommendation. Let's talk about the how to fix this electrical wiring non-compliant case for the restaurant wiring and how to avoid similar problem in the future. So the first one is corrective action. How to fix the problem? First, all the metal part, like the metal plate, must be properly connected to the earth. This will make the system safer and prevent electrical shocks. Second, a proper earthing system need to be installed. We must use a rod or plate instead just use a water pipe, which is not safe and break the law. And finally, we should do a full check of the wiring to make sure everything follow the electricity regulation 1994. Next, we're gonna talk about the preventive measure or how to prevent future problem. The first one is regular inspection. Get certified electrician to check the wiring regularly to catch any issue early. The second one is training for electrician. Train electrician and wiremen so they know the latest safety rule and best practice. If we follow this step, we can fix the current issue and make sure future wiring work is done safely and correctly. Okay, we go to the conclusion. In conclusion, let's summarize the key point of this electrical wiring non-compliant case for the single-phase installation in the restaurant. The first one is main issue found. First, the metal plate for the final circuit was not adhered, violating Regulation 34 of the Electricity Regulation 1994. The second is the earthing system was connected to the water pipe, which is not allowed and pose a serious risk. So, what we need to be done? Fix the problem immediately to meet regulation and protect everyone's safety. The last one is why it's important. The first one is why it's important is to protect life. A proper compliance protects life by preventing electrical hazards such as shock and fires. The second why it is important is follow the law. Addressing this issue, avoid penalty, fine, or the loss of wireman certification. The last one is build trust. Ensuring safety and compliance build trust in electrical system and promote accountability within the industry. In conclusion, fixing this issue not only resolve the non-compliant but also uphold safety, legal standard and public trust, ensuring this restaurant wiring system is reliable and secure. So that's all for me and us. Thank you.